Hey, welcome back to my channel, One Sick Build. Today I'm going to be putting a carbon fiber front lip on the Supra. So I'm going to try to do a DIY, show you how the steps I take to get it on. Hopefully I can do this by myself, so we're going to give it a shot. It's the stock. So, my understanding, there's some bolts that I have to take off. These clips, all these bolts here, I think I have to get some tabs. So I'll let you know what it takes once I get going. I definitely see all these. Here's some like hex torque bits style here. So all down through there. Alright, this is what I'm going to show you. I got the lip up, and it's pretty hard. These little clips right here are stuck in here, and you have to get, I'm using these two right now. Alright, so I'm going to show you underneath the car here. And underneath there, if you can see it, it's wedged in there really. You'll see the tabs, and you just have to wedge that in there. And then once you get them loose, you just kind of pop it out. And they sit in these little tabs right there. Alright, I'm using all kinds of little tools. This helped out in the front a lot. So did this. Little flat, long, flat blade screwdriver. Smallest little Allen wrench, and it's helping because I'm getting in here. Some of these tabs still want to grab after you get underneath the car and push these tabs up, like right here. Some of these have two tabs, this one has one. But things like that where it's getting stuck, you can stick this in there, and sometimes you can pull it up, and if not, use that flat screwdriver. And I got it back in here. Wedge it up so I don't catch the bumper. Pull it right off. There's two little tabs that just pops out. And most of this can be started. You have to go underneath, just like I showed earlier, and start wedging them tabs out the way. Try to wiggle it. You're just gonna have to work it some, but it's doable. So far, I just got one more side to do. Okay, so I got this other side. The right side came off really easy. I actually could stick my hand up there and move the tab, and when I've got these first two from underneath the panel, all the rest popped out a lot easier than the middle and the passenger side. So now I'm gonna clean up everything and get it prepped for the carbon fiber lip. So I'm gonna wash it and clean it. Debris up in the lip here. And I'm gonna clean it real good. Alright, starting to get it on right now. It's looking good. So when you install the MV style, you have these tabs. Some of them are gonna come up twisted and bent, straighten them out. They're going to slide back into the little slots. So now I got to make some adjustments, tighten it down. But overall, looking good right now. See what it looks like once it's all mounted. Alright guys, so that was the install. Not too bad. A little bit of work, but pretty easy once you get the old one off and just make slight adjustments. It's not 100% perfect, but it's about 98% perfect. And that'll do. That looks sweet. Got the carbon fiber spoiler put on yesterday as well. Looks really good. So if you like what you see, like and subscribe. If not, also leave comments if you want. I do this just for the love of the car scene. Tell me what you think. Peace.